Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Pvt Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development and robotics. This video is part 3 for Basics of Unsupervised Machine Learning. Second example is of course the market basket analysis. Retail company wants to group its products based on customer purchasing behavior. I already gave you this example. By analyzing customer transaction data, clustering can group products that are frequently bought together. These clusters might reveal natural product bundles such as snacks and drinks or personal care products. So these are already being used in the market. Nothing new. ML is already being used in the market. So this is one of the example. Document clustering in information retrieval. Again comes the thousands of documents such as research paper, legal files. Need to organize them. So documents can be clustered based on finance, technology, healthcare, and subcategories will also be available. And YouTube also use such algorithms. YouTube also use, because whenever we upload the video, it analyzes all the video contents and then check for duplicate content or some pattern in the video, and it will recommend the video based on that pattern. Okay, so YouTube and other companies already use this. Customer segmentation in e-commerce, of course, again and again the same example you will see for unsupervised learning. Different customer data including age, income, purchasing habit can be clustered. So again in Instagram also you can see or other platforms also, they help in advertisement using the age groups, different age groups. Targeted marketing strategies to improve customer satisfaction by personalizing offers and promotions. Gene expression analysis. So you already know the genetics data is huge. Genetics data is huge. So in base for the analysis, there comes the algorithms to analyze that huge data, and scientists use this data to predict some future problems or something like that. So this is again being used in the market. And one benefit I already mentioned here, this insight can help in understanding diseases like cancer, where certain genes might be overexpressed or underexpressed, and in identifying potential therapeutic targets. In social network analysis, want to analyze connections between its users to identify communities or clusters of closely connected individuals. So already Facebook, Instagram and other Snap, etc. all are using these algorithms. Group users based on their interaction patterns such as likes, comments, follows, and based on that they can improve their algorithm. They are already doing this for years. I am just giving you the example. Larger cluster might represent communities, fans of certain celebrity or interest group, and smaller subclusters might. So you have seen that when you open Instagram, Facebook or any other social networking website, they will show you the content based on your interest. So they are using unsupervised learning. So to find new connections, and LinkedIn also is using this. So finding new connections, recommended content, or study the structure of online communities. So all these things comes under this topic, hierarchy clustering. Of course, the fraud detection in financial transactions, you already know now. When the UPI was launched, and nowadays all the transactions are being done using UPI, because more wallets are not working in India now. So UPI transactions are thousands of or millions of transactions, so manually cannot be checked. So this, a bank or financial institution wants to detect fraudulent transactions among millions of legitimate ones by identifying unusual patterns. So if they find some unusual patterns, or the algorithm finds it, it will notify the user or the authorities. Transactions are grouped based on features like transaction amount, frequency, location, time, by which, so they will automatically be done. You don't have to do it manually, because this is unsupervised learning. Fraud analysis can detect small isolated clusters that represent anomaly behavior potentially indicated of fraud. So what it means is, so you are doing each month you are paying some for some service, but for some small amount, for example 50 rupees or 30 rupees are deducted monthly, automatically being transferred to some person. So that kind of things it can find. You will think that it is just verification or some for example 2 rupees or 1 rupees entry, you won't even bother in the bank account, but sometimes that can be a fraud. So fraud detection can also be done using unsupervised learning. So these are all real life problems that are being solved using machine learning. I have already shown you this data, how data points merge into clusters. You can visually decide the optimal number of cluster by cutting the dendrogram at a specific height. So it is in our control what we want to create, but the first you need to understand where you can use it. You can find thousands of examples using ChatGPT also, and on the internet where it can be used. So first thing was for you to understand where it is being used or where you can use it. So in this one, k-means and hierarchy I have shown you. Then there are more. So these are the techniques that I will be sharing with you. So I have already created the code, but I have not tested the code. So I will test the code and update the article tomorrow, and then show you the rest of the things, and I will add more real life problems and solutions in the article. I will continue this session in next video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.